Welcome to Review Parks. Search for reviewparks.com B for site. Review Parks present best cheap RC racing boat for kids. 4 channel, forward, left, right, 2.4 GHz frequency controller allows multiple boats to be raced at the same time. The control distance of the boat is within 150 meters. Unique self-righting responsive V-hull design. Waterproof hull with anti-tilt modular design is built from impact-resistant plastic parts, are durable and smooth and easily maintained and replaced. 27 MHz radio system providing extended range, better anti-interference ability, faster reaction speed, least power consumption and automatic code pairing. Do extreme sharp turns and auto flips. It can do 180-degree turnover action when it capsizes. Self-righting feature lets you keep your boat in play even if it capsizes. With LCD screen on the transmitter, you are supposed to read the relative data directly, more intuitive and convenient. 2.4 GHz high speed. Enjoy racing synchronously with your kids or neighbors' RC speed boats. Max speed up to 25 km/h and even your baby dog can't catch your RC ship in big lake. LCD display for precision nav. The voltage volume of this RC racing ship toys is clear at a glance, and low battery alarm remind you make a return voyage. Remote control fishing boat with rechargeable battery. Can offer 8 to 10 minutes playing and radio remote control distance up to 150 meters. 4 XAA.